if I told you there's a vegan night market in Los Angeles every week where you can get all the vegan food you can dream of? It's dog-friendly and family-friendly and held at different locations each week. I'm Eunice from Rated V, your guide to vegan food and travel, and I'm gonna check out the Vegan Playground in LA to check out all the amazing food they got and learn a bit more about it. Let's go.
First round is Fata Taco. It's a lot of Latin-inspired food. This is the papa rellena. If you've never had it, it's popular in Cuban cuisine, Peruvian cuisine, Bolivian cuisine. Basically, it's a stuffed fried potato ball. Who doesn't want that? So I'm just dipping it in this. I can't even dip it in the sauce. It's so huge. All right, let's do this. This is so perfect. If you guys have never had one of these type of dishes, highly recommend you get one. Like, this is so good. They're also known for their birria tacos. I've had this before and they're good, but this is why I want to try something different. Oh my gosh, so good. Okay, you can't go to a vegan street fair and not get some nudes. So I got this from Man-Eating Plants and oh my gosh, yum. There's a reason these garlic noodles are all over the ground. These are so good, flavored perfectly. The texture is great, definitely a must try. So, confession, I've never eaten pork in my life. Like growing up, I never ate that. This wasn't a thing. And so Spam, like anything was not anything I ever tried. And this is Omni Pork, Spam musubi. So I've always been curious and wanted to try it. So this is the first try. Let's give it a try. Definitely a good street food, like on the go appetizer. Really glad I got to try it. Can never go wrong with sticky rice. Again, this truck is a must try. They sell both.
What's going on, guys? This is AJ from Secret Pizza checking in. We serve vegan pizza by the slice, by the full pizza, and we make all our ingredients in-house. Cashew mozzarella, meats made from scratch, dough hand stretched. So come check us out.
Okay, New York style pizza in Los Angeles. I can't resist this. I had to get the pepperoni. It looks amazing. And then the white with mushrooms. I love me some good mushrooms, so let's give this a try. Oh my God. The key to a good pizza is the sauce and the crust. They've nailed both of them. It's very flavorful, perfect crisp. I really like it. It's really good. I feel like it needs to be greasier for New York style, but it's okay, it's healthier. All right, white pizza. That is so good. You would think because there's no sauce that it might be dry. It's not dry at all, super moist, really flavorful. Both of them are great. I really like it. They're a popular spot here at the market, so make sure to try it.
In between eating, make sure to dance it off with the DJ. But if you want a dessert break, don't worry, you have options. First is Devi's Donuts, and warning, you'll want to try them all. They have flavors like pistachio, lemon, coffee cream, and more. They're super fluffy inside, and if you can't finish them all, don't worry, just take them home to enjoy. Or you can try All About the Cinnamon for vegan cinnamon rolls with the best names ever. Sadly, I didn't have the stomach space to get one of these, but they have gluten-free options, FYI. But let's get back to more savory food because this is the dish you cannot pass up.
This plate looks incredible. I've been smelling Srey Vegan. Every time I walk by and I'm like, I have to try this. This is the look like Cambodian style beef, but vegan, obviously, and then a shrimp vegan. When they were frying, it looked so realistic. I was like, and of course, all served over delicious rice. All right, I'm going for the vegan beef. Incredible. I love how juicy it is and flavorful, so good. What I liked about her story was she made this dish because it used to be her favorite dish, and she was like, I went vegan. I don't have to give up my favorite food. I'm gonna make this dish really good and vegan. You don't have to give up your favorite foods just because you're going vegan. You just veganize it and make it better. Okay, shrimp. I wanna know what this is made out of. Goodness gracious. Oh wow. The texture on this is crazy. I love like the sweetened, I think it was like condensed milk that you put on top of it. Oh my goodness. And then with sticky rice. This is so good. I can't wait to demolish this. Get your napkins ready because the original Herbivore sells vegan chicken wings, and these are the Korean ones. If you like spicy KFC Korean fried chicken, but have gone vegan now, you will probably be dying to try this because I know I am. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. The sauce on this is so great. It's like a sweet and sour, but they have OG Nashville hot and a bunch of other flavors too, whatever you like. You can try whatever they got you. You can get a small or a bucket, so come with your friends.
Next, it was time for something super Cali style.
Okay, there couldn't be something more Californian than carne asada fries. Asada fries are like, they're a California thing, so I couldn't resist and get the vegan version of this because the carne asada they make with this looks amazing. These are fully loaded, so make sure you come hungry to share. So let's dig into this. Oh my goodness. Comfort food at its finest. Spicy jalapenos, fries, juicy vegan carne asada. Get it at the Vegan Hooligans. Vegan Hooligans has got you because they always have sweet stuff too. I got the peanut butter milkshake because I love all vegan peanut butter. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. It's like a Reese's peanut butter cup, like just in a giant milkshake. Oh, I'm in heaven right now.
If you're there on a Wednesday night, you can finish the night at Boomtown Brewery or shop all the different vegan products like bath bombs, candles, sunglasses, jewelry, and more.
So as you can see, there's tons of good eats here. Bring friends, bring reinforcements, because you're gonna wanna try it all. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and let me know what you guys wanna see next. Let me know which food truck you would wanna try the most, and I'll catch you guys next time on Rated Vegan.